with married gaze.
So this is a canvas and a wooden panel made with sand, clay snakes, rhinestone application, frames and veil. This also comes complete with a resin finishing, and this beautiful piece is from d'Italia Art. So that's the International Society Art and Publishing Collection Company. So again, that's Lucy D. Thank you, gentlemen. Up onto stage. So yin-yang art is a philosophy rooted in contrast, light and shadow. So this represents life and death. Her work explores what lies between externs, not divided, but to reveal the harmony that pulses within. So again, that's Toyomi Dubai Expresses with yin-yang art. Thank you. Burden of Nothing, this is a ceramic sculpture. It portrays the profound experience of anxiety. The figure with spirals of emanating from its head is a piece extending from its mouth embodies the internal chaos of nervousness. In its hand, the figure holds a small, removable ball representing problems that seem insurmountable or easy voluble. Yet the person clings to them instead of trusting the process. The removable ball symbolizes how these insecure Iranian artists, this is Ms. Hisham Alaiya Bajastani. This artwork is taken from verses of the Quran that were selected in the festival. This work is beautifully illuminated using calligraphy, painting techniques. So congratulations to bringing on her artwork, The Journey. Minu is a New Delhi-based contemporary painter known for her meditative landscapes, symbolizing and representing her nature. Her work carries an ecological message of conservation and provides an escape from urbanity. Her piece is inspired by her own experience with temporary vision lost during her teens. Nature became her refugee, where she expresses through lush colours and detailed studied work. Minu also is honoured with Fine Arts Diploma from Japan Academy. So again, that's Minu with The Journey. The artwork, Winter. So this is a watercolour painting. It captures winter's beauty through the soft blue and white hues. Using the wet-on-wet technique and salt, the artist creates depth and texture, evoking the coldness and fragility of snow. The piece transports the viewer to a quiet, dreamlike winter world. She's bringing on her piece, Oksaka Mexi. This is an artwork inspired by a visit to Oksaka in November 2022. The vibrant colours of the local markets, traditional houses and lush vegetation reflects the unique beauty of this Mexican village. The piece captures the essence of the beautiful, peaceful atmosphere and the dynamic interplay of nature, culture and tradition. Through rich textures and vivid hues, it celebrates the harmony and inspiration found in the heart of the tranquil haven. To stage, we have the Boa Gallery. So she's bringing on her piece, Eternal Reflection. So this is an exquisite mandala by artist Pratishka Sakena. It embodies harmony, spirituality and artistic connectedness and contemplation. So again, that's Eternal Reflection. We have Ketki Fadnis. So Ketki is bringing on her piece In the Green. So this piece is an Indian contemporary artist. So Ketki crafts spontaneous abstract work with acrylic paint and dynamic gestural strokes. A meditative journey over her gallery. We have Maysura coming onto stage with her green agate. So So this green agate is a mesmerizing interplay of gold leaf and the Kufic caterpillar technique. This piece radiates visual tranquility. The fusion of gold and green creates an intricate dance of light and texture. It's deeply rooted in Islamic calligraphy. And again, this is a piece of artwork on acrylic with canvas. And again, that's green agate. Nikita Agarwal. So Nikita is bringing on her piece, Scared Golden River. So the Scared Golden River is a vibrant composition of pink, yellow and blue bursts into a visual symphony of energy and serenity. Each splash breathes life into the canvas, balancing motion and stillness in effortless harmony. So again, that's the Scared Golden River by Nikita. So Sneha is bringing on the Gamgi. So Sneha, this is an evocative piece, seamlessly blending the elegance of tradition with modern storytelling. A woman lost in what through emerges from the woven textures of rough, this symbolizing the inextricable connection between identity and heritage. So this portrait captures Irish Abfal, not just as a fashion icon, but as a symbol of bold individuality and creative rebellion. Her expression demands attention, playful, defiant, and utterly self-possessed. She embodies the very essence of character that Renee is drawn to and in her artwork. So this is the Kravalab Gallery with what Za'abeel Halls is bringing on the 12 Chinese zodiac animals. So Aska's 12 zodiac palm ceramic plates showcases meticulous craftsmanship, blending ancient zodiac symbols with contemporary artistry. Each carving tells a... So Ikasu is bringing on plum blossom night resilience. So Ikasu creates textile art using unique Japanese textiles and antique wood. Under the concept of recreate kimono, they give traditional kimono second life as an art. This artwork, Plum Blossom Night, uses over 100 resilience by Ikasu. From Turkey. So Ekrem is bringing on his piece. This is a watercolor piece. It was first light of the morning, carrying the soul of Istanbul at the tip of the brush. The ripples on the water merge with the nostalgic of ferries departing from Immersive. It's reflected on the paper through a dance of blues and yellows, inspired by a moment where the wind wandered